problem with the case, specifically with the power button. Okay, the top of the case is off, the system is up, powered on, everything's working fine. Okay, then I reassemble the case, and as I tighten down the screws, the case itself will engage the power button and will power the device off. So watch for the flashing blue light. That means the power button has been depressed. See, I never touched the power button, but the power button has been depressed just by assembling the top part of the case. Now from here it will do a graceful shutdown and the device will power off, but then it's still holding down the power button. I cannot turn it back on. When I first assembled it, I thought the whole unit wasn't working until I tried working it with the case disassembled, and then it worked fine. So I just got this, it's brand new, I got it from Newegg. I was planning to RMA it there. But if you guys want to send me an upgraded device with a power button that's well engineered, I don't know, I like the Synology technology, but this design is, I know this is an entry-level model, but it's kind of a slap in you guys' face. And I looked to see if maybe it was just not properly aligned or not properly assembled, but it looks like it is. I'm wondering if there aren't a lot of people having this problem. Maybe it's just a specific run. Maybe there's just a flaw in the run, or maybe it's just engineered in a way where this is going to cause people problems. So I'll take another second here, and this will be off. And I'll show you that it won't come back on. So now it's off. So let's try and get it back on. Nothing. No way. Until pop the case out a little bit. Now it works fine. There you have it.